Waking up one misty morning, up in the blue Kayaman Mountains. After a deep sleeping, sipping a hot cup of Niugini style cappuccino, sitting on my veranda, watching the golden rising sun, giving another day a time and space in life. It's a bright sunny day in a Niugini paradise, up in the cold blue eye mountains of Kayamsiki, the land of the natty dread, roots Rasta man. Birds of paradise, singing songs of freedom and redemption. Children, men and women dancing to the groovy, natural, mystical, melodic sound and rhythm of nature. I and I, roots Rasta man, feeling higher than high, unlike ever before. Feeling of freedom, feeling of wild, natty love, eating, bashing, grooving me as hard as they come. Let Jah the Most High be praised. I and I, Rasta man, creation need no hanky-panky loving. All I need is my iron lion Zion, in a Bella Zion, lion, lion, in a Kayaman Siki skanking style. Yeah, Rastafari, grooving a roots Rasta reggae music. Feel it where it do no harm, and do it where them feel no harm, and life goes on for one and all. Iron lion Zion, in a Kayamsiki Rasta styling. Ayo, 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 Jah Rastafari. I want no Babylon system in my life. Let Jah rise up over my life. Rise me up, upper to Zion. I'm a Kayamsiki Rasta, man Jah bless.